Welcome to another Canva tutorial video. Today, we're going to learn about Canva's photo effects feature. So, let's get started. First, have your design opened and click on the photo you want to edit. Then, go to the Edit Photo button on the toolbar above. Apart from using the AI features over here, which we already talked about in a previous video, we're going to focus on things such as filters and effects today. In case you want to select a filter, click on See All to view more options. If you like a certain filter, click on it and it will be applied to your photo. To adjust your chosen filter, just adjust the intensity slider over here. Now, for the effects, we have shadows, autofocus, blur, and duotone. For the shadows, just as its name implies, it lets you choose how you'd like the shadow of your element to look like. You have glow, drop, and outline. Let's try to pick one. Once you pick one, you'll see these options below. This is where you can adjust your shadow's size, blur amount, angle, distance, change its color, and adjust its intensity. Next up, we have autofocus. If you click on it, it will take you here, where you can adjust your image's blur intensity, as well as the focus position. Adjust your blur intensity. The more you slide to the right, the more blurry your picture will be. And the more you move your slider to the left, the less blurry it'll be. For the focus position, basically, you're going to play around with it because through this slider, you'll be able to tell Canva which portion of the photo you'd like to focus. In case you'd like to remove the autofocus effect on your photo, simply click on Remove Autofocus. Now let's talk about blur. You'll be able to see the option to use a blur brush tool or to blur out the entire image. If you'd like to add blur to your photo by using the blur brush tool, click on Add Blur, adjust your brush size accordingly, as well as your intensity. But if in case there's something you'd like to unblur, then you can click on Remove. Next, we have the duotone. This effect will give your photo a dual color filter. If you choose one, it will automatically be applied to your photo, and apart from that, you can also adjust some settings below. Here, you can change your highlight color, your shadow's color, and adjust the intensity of your duotone. And lastly, you can manually tweak your photo's color settings by going to the Adjust button right over here. Apart from the colors, you can adjust your photo's white balance, light, color of course, as well as texture. And that's about it. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you also for your feedback on our previous videos. We'll strive to keep improving. We hope you found today's video of help somehow. See you in the next one. Stay creative and keep on creating.